Let's give it up for Notification Avenue. Thank you so much for commenting what was mentioned in the last video. XXXX strawberry I. Thank you so much. Hi my beautiful homegirls and my handsome homeboys. I apologize, my voice is a little off. It is 7:43 in the morning and y'all. But in today's video we are going to be doing a purple nail design, but stop, it's not going to be anything like the last one. It's upgraded. And I noticed I've been doing two colors every video, but I didn't do it on purpose, it just happens. But this purple nail design, I love it. I'm looking at my nails right now. I love it. But yes, I will be using Polygel. I will be using, I think it's pronounced Saviland. Child, that's how I pronounce it. I'll be using their purple polygel, their rainbow black polygel, and I will also be using McCart's clear polygel to encapsulate. The sun was extra bright, so yeah. But if you would like a more in-depth video of how I apply my polygel, how I get it really smooth, I have a video on that. So go check that out. I'll also show you how to do ombre in that video. But yeah, I love this purple glitter. I really do. But y'all, I cannot keep scooping it. So I just support it on my nails, and I say it very much is what it is. But before you do that, you want to wet it a little bit. But my slip solution, I use alcohol because I'm not gonna go out and buy a slip solution, and alcohol is multi-purpose. I don't use a spatula. I really just bring it along the length of my nails. And yeah, I usually either have too much, but I never have too little, and I prefer that. I go in with the cuticle area first. And for those who have watched plenty of my videos, hi, how are you? We love a returning subscriber. For Notification Avenue, that's basically a shout out at the beginning of the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Comment down below what is your favorite smell. Yeah, smell. I'm getting very, very weird with these. Your favorite smell. My favorite smell is like, I don't even know the name of it, but it's in a candle, and it's like pumpkin pie caramel spice. Anyways, on this one I wanted to do an ombre, so I started my free edge with the purple. For the ombre, you always start at the bottom. And then you want to kind of push it up. You want up to be thinner, because that's where you're going to put the other one. Now I'm going to go in with that rainbow black. And y'all, it's really like a grayish black. It's like a ghost black. But I'm only going to go in with a little bit. And of course, we're going to get our cuticle area down first. Then we're going to lightly feather it down because you want it to blend. And I ended up kind of doing it like, I did it all the way down. So I brought it all the way down, but it was very thin. So you can still see the rainbow black at the very, very top where my cuticle area is. And then it kind of shadows over my purple. Excuse me, I just yawned. But yes, it shadows over my purple, and then you can still see it though. So we got 3 nails down. Yes. I think I'm gonna start ordering some more polygel. Only thing is I hate the takeoff process, so I wear my polygels for a long time. But yes, we're gonna go in with the black. I plan on doing a glittery purple drip on this nail and a black background. So that's what we're going in over here. Again, we're going to start with that cuticle area. Just pat in the cuticle area. Don't want to flood the cuticles. And the Savvyland Polygel is great. It works just as good as McCart's Polygel. And I'm a McCart ambassador. So, yeah. With this one, I wanted to do a V. I wanted to do like a V black and then a V in purple glitter. But yeah, the purple glitter ruined it. Well, it didn't ruin it because I'm loving this purple glitter. But I didn't get a V. So now it kind of just look like a oval French tip. Yeah. So what it's looking like. And see, I even got that V so perfect. But I should have mixed the glitter up with clear polygel and did it like that. But I'm taking that purple and I'm going in and filling in that V. Next, I'm going to go with the McCart's Polygel. And I'm just going to use that on my thumb to encapsulate that glitter. Because I just did straight glitter there. I didn't mix it with anything. So I wanted to encapsulate that. Now, I wanted a thin layer of encapsulation. So I'm just putting that into place. And in the video where I show y'all how I apply my polygel in detail and how to get it smooth and how to do ombre polygel, of course I go in depth a lot more. It's going to be in the description box, and if you don't see it there, then just click on my channel and go to videos. But it's going to show you how to do it without a drill. Yeah, so after I shape and redefine that shape and file, I'm going in and just wiping off all that dust, because you don't want that on when you're doing nail art or anything, which I honestly kept the nail art to a minimum. And we're back with the purple glitter. But yeah, so I decided to put it in here and mix it with some base coat and top coat. And I made glitter polygel. Girl, no you didn't. I made glitter gel polish. So next I'm going to stop on the drip, and I just want to do 3 dots. After I do my 3rd dot, I go in and I just bring the line up. I touch the tip of the dot and bring it up from there. Look at that purple glitter. Get into it. Get into it. Next, I'm going in and filling up all of that top and connecting the 3 drips. I'm going to let that cure. I'm going to let that bake for a little bit. Then I'm going to go in with the top coat on my pointer finger. And I'm doing small little rhinestones all the way down. They're going to be purple. And took me a long time to do that. So I did speed up this process while editing. And of course, I'm using my wax pencil. I love my wax pencil. Get into it. Get into it. So I'm gonna let that bake in the oven, and then after that is done baking, this is how it looks. Now I'm just gonna go in and add that purple glitter gel to the V where the purple is. So I kind of just use that as a guide. And yeah, I wanted it really perfect like. So that was that. As this video is coming to an end, I want to remind you all to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Comment down below for notification avenue. And so remember, nobody's gonna go as hard for you as you are for yourself. And y'all get excited for the next set of nails that I'm going to do, because I'm definitely excited for them.